This is Lance from Lance's Auto Vlog, and I'm back with a new video. So we're working on this Lamborghini Aventador 2016. In this particular car, what we did is we added Apple CarPlay to the factory system. So I'm gonna turn you around and show you how that works. So as you can see, Lamborghini and you got your Lamborghini screen here. So to actually get to CarPlay, you want to hit your media button. And that allows you to change the source to media. And then if you hit the nav button and press it, it automatically switches to CarPlay. We're currently in Google Maps, but by hitting the return button here, it allows you to return to the regular screen. So in that section, you can actually use anything in CarPlay the base of the way it's set up. So if we go here, we can go to the phone by pressing phone. Hit return, and we can go to music, so we can go to Apple Music and hit enter, and we can listen to music. We can actually get to our library or listen to now, and we can actually go to Apple Maps by pressing the buttons. So we now get our map location, and we get our messages and our news and the Lamborghini screen. Now the Lamborghini screen gets you into the settings. Now what do you need the settings for? Now if you want to get into the settings and you want to change any of the setup menus for the USB, you can press the button there and that'll get you in the settings. You can change wallpapers, do all that crazy stuff. You can actually get in the EQs by just keep rotating. You get to the EQs. You can change the EQs on the settings, subwoofer on, all that good stuff. You can get to the actual EQ settings. So you can change the EQ on the ZZ-2 CarPlay. Once we're done with that, we can actually go back here, hit the back return button, and go to CarPlay up here, and it launches CarPlay again. So with everything said and done, this gives you Apple CarPlay. If you use Waze, it'll give you the Waze map as well. So all entailed, this is probably a 4 or 5 hour install, and you're ready to go. So stay tuned for the next video. Like I said, this is Apple CarPlay Lamborghini Aventador 2016. Peace.